Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer your XRP into a wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know XRP is one of the fastest digital assets out there, but keeping it secure is key. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this step-by-step guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure you have your XRP ready on a reputable exchange like Binance or Coinbase. Always double-check that your account is verified and secure. Use two-factor authentication to protect yourself from any hiccups. Now, Step 1. Choose a wallet that supports XRP. In 2025, options like Ledger hardware wallets or Trust Wallet apps are top picks because they're user-friendly and offer great security features. Download and set up your wallet following the official instructions. Don't skip the backup phrase, as that's your safety net if anything goes wrong. Step 2. Generate your XRP wallet address. Once your wallet is ready, go to the XRP section and copy the unique address. Remember, addresses look like a string of letters and numbers, so handle it with care to avoid any typos that could send your XRP into the void. Step 3. Head back to your exchange and navigate to the withdrawal section. Select XRP as the asset, paste in your wallet address, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check for any network fees. In 2025, the XRP ledger is still super efficient, but fees can vary. After you confirm the transaction, sit tight and monitor it. Most transfers take just a few seconds to a minute, thanks to XRP's speed. Once it's done, jump back into your wallet and verify that your XRP has arrived. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a minute and check the transaction history on a blockchain explorer. Finally, a quick tip. Always withdraw only what you need and keep the rest on the exchange if you're trading frequently. This keeps your assets safer from potential hacks. Thanks for watching, and if this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's secure our digital future together. See you in the next video.